When you start Visual Studio the first time after installing ReSharper, you're gonna get a dialog box like this. Here ReSharper is asking you what keyboard scheme you would like to use for shortcuts. There are two keyboard schemes, Visual Studio and IntelliJ IDEA. The IntelliJ IDEA keyboard scheme suits developers who have used IntelliJ IDEA for writing Java code. So the shortcuts are the same. But if you don't have experience with IntelliJ IDEA and are mostly a .NET developer, I suggest you use the Visual Studio scheme, as the shortcut keys I'm going to teach you in this course are based on Visual Studio scheme. At any point, you can change the keyboard schemes by going to ReSharper, Options, Environment, Keyboard, and Menus. Another thing you need to know about keyboard schemes is that some of the ReSharper shortcuts are in conflict with the default Visual Studio shortcuts. So as you start using ReSharper, you may get a dialog box like this telling you about the conflict. So ReSharper wants to know whether you would like to use the ReSharper command or Visual Studio command for the shortcut keys you pressed. I recommend using ReSharper shortcuts whenever you get this dialog box, as you really got nothing to lose and you will get a lot more power using ReSharper. It also helps to check this box here so you don't get this annoying message every time there is a conflict.